Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix Apple Intelligence not working or not showing in iOS 18.1 beta, or so how you can fix that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to turn it off again so that your Wi-Fi internet connection can be restarted. And the next thing you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on general. So here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply reset all of your network settings, and after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. And after going back, what you have to do, you have to simply again click on general, and this time you have to simply click on software update. And here you have to check whether you have installed the latest iOS 18.1 update. So here you can see here is shown 18.01 update, but you have to get iOS 18.1 update. So for this, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the developer beta mode, so that you can simply get the iOS 18.1 beta pro update. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply wait for some time so that it can be loaded. So you have to simply close this page, and after closing this page, you have to simply again open setting, and this time you have to again click on general and again click on software update, and after a few seconds of loading, you will get iOS 18.1 beta. So here you have to simply wait for some time. So after a few seconds of loading, you will see this kind of interface which is available, iOS 18 beta, which is available. So it includes initial set of feature powered by intelligence, Apple Intelligence. So you have to simply try the Apple Intelligence beta, join the waitlist in settings. So you have to simply update that, install iOS 18.1 beta, so that you can simply enjoy the Apple Intelligence which will work for you. So if it is not showing, then you have to simply install the iOS 18.1 beta update, and you will get the Apple Intelligence. If it doesn't work, then you have to simply contact to Apple support and tell what the problem with that. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.